Welcome. This is how to send a voice message on Telegram. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and open up the Telegram application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go to one of your messages that you want to send a voice to. And now, from here, guys, as you can see, you will have the microphone icon on the right side of the screen. So you could just simply select that microphone icon. So guys, you have to hold it, but if you tap on it, it will redirect as a record video. But if you go for the icon that is on microphone, just simply hold it. From here, as you can see, we should be able to record our voice. And if you want to cancel it, just simply slide to the left side. But if you want to pause and trim or replay, you would go up to the top. But if you don't want all of that, you could just simply release the button on the send icon and tap on it, and it will automatically be set.